Hey guys, it's Kirsten from ClickBank. So in this installment of ClickBank's top offers, I want to share some products that are great for beginner and expert affiliates to promote. So whether you call them classic, past champions, or tried and true offers, these are products with long history of consistent quality performance on ClickBank's marketplace. They've had at least a year with consistent sales, and the teams behind them are continuing to optimize the offer. Plus, they're open to new affiliates. So you might want to call these tried and true. Tale as old as time. Song as old as rhyme, beauty and the best. So you ask, why promote these type of affiliate products? Well, if you think of affiliate marketing like investing, a tried and true offer is evergreen, like a mature company's stock, which can make it maybe a safer choice if you're new to affiliate marketing or maybe new to a specific niche. The bottom line, if you're just starting out, these are great offers to learn how to test and optimize your campaigns because you know these products will convert. Or if you're more experienced, you want to diversify your niche or traffic channel, these are a solid way to do it. Okay, you ready? So let's take a look at these top 5 tried and true top offers this year. Coming in at number 5, we have shifting vibrations. This is one of the best spirituality offers on ClickBank right now. So this product was created by an expert in the spirituality niche with a huge following on social media, and he really believes in this product. Best of all, it's already generated over 1 million in sales to cold paid traffic. So no matter where you promote this one, you're sure to see some great conversions. Head over to the marketplace to check out the stats and get your link today. So the stats for this one, EPCs are at $1. The average payout value is $61.27. Hop conversion rate is 1.65%, you guys. Little inside scoop on this seller, they have been grinding it out. We have seen their transition from just starting out to being a platinum, and they have done a great job also reaching out to other affiliates and helping them grow too. So we just want to shout them out and say thanks for being a great partner. Okay, sliding in spot number 4, we have Energia. So billing itself as the next generation in health offers, Energia is open to intros for new affiliates and has an intriguing product focused around an Italian fat loss secret. So for affiliates, you're gonna make bank per sale with high conversion on both warm and cold traffic. It also features monthly cash and prize giveaways. So if you want a great health supplement to promote, be sure to give this one a go. The EPCs you're gonna see on this one is $1.60. APVs, so average payout value, is $157.10, and then the hot conversion rate, you're looking at just over 1%. One of the really great things about this offer is it has been around for a long time, but it's recently been re-optimized, and the seller is eager to gain your traffic. So definitely reach out about this one and give it a go. Speaking of other offers with great potential, you might want to check out the top spirituality offers. You can see this in the card or in the link below, and also is hosted by yours truly. Sliding in at number 3, Flux Active. This is a powerful men's health offer, specifically for prostate wellness. It uses a 14-in-1 vital formula to support the normal functions of the bladder, prostate, and reproductive system. This is more of a niche product solving a specific pain point for men, but if you have the audience for it, Flux Active is a great choice. In terms of affiliate resources, you get a lot here. You've got email swipes, web banners, product images, headlines for native ads, and multiple pre-sale pages, pre-landers. When it comes to the top traffic sources, we're seeing Facebook ads and email doing quite well, but YouTube and native are strong options as well. Find out more about Flux Active in the marketplace. Stats for Flux Active. So we are looking at EPCs at 94 cents, average payout value at 137.70, and then hot conversion rate is 0.68%. So this one is definitely pure tried and true. So you will find some great opportunity with this with the right audience. Tiptoeing in at number 2 is Care Essentials. This is a popular beauty product on ClickBank. What makes it special is because it contains a unique blend that fungi haven't been exposed to, leading to dead fungus and perfect skin and nails with no more itching or a bad smell. This product features a few different sales pages and a strong upsell flow. Overall, it's seeing strong EPCs and is well worth promoting to your audience. So the stats for Care Essentials, you're gonna see EPCs at 95 cents, average payout value at $124.32, hop conversion rate at 0.67%. If you want to see more like this, you have to check out our top beauty products by Anna in the card, link below. Show her some love. And number 1 is All Day Slimming Tea. It is a metabolism boosting tea. It's made a big splash in the health and fitness niche at ClickBank for a long time. So All Day Slimming Tea combines oolong tea, green tea, and other tea-related proprietary ingredients to melt tummy fat and reach weight loss goals. Affiliates are loving this offer because the testimonials are compelling and believable. Plus, there are 2 different funnels available for All Day Slimming Tea listed in the ClickBank marketplace. So All Slim Tea is your cold traffic funnel for media buyers, and So 50 Sup is a free plus shipping offer that is doing excellent things for organic and email affiliates. If you think that this could be your next big offer, head over to the ClickBank marketplace and find the offer that you think would work best for you. Let's get to those numbers. The stats for All Slim Tea are EPCs just over $1, average payout value $136.63, and the hop conversion rate is 74%. The So 50 Sup funnel is going to bring you some different stats, so it definitely is going to work for the email and organic affiliates. EPCs are $1.43. Average payout value is $26.92, and the hop conversion rate is 5.3%. The seller on this one is the kind of guy you would honestly want to drink a tea with. He is so engaged and a really cool guy to get to know. Has been around for a very long time and is very invested in his offer ongoing. So you know you'll have good support with this one. Okay, that's it. That is the top 5 tried and true offers on ClickBank. I hope this gave you some good ideas on how to maybe diversify your affiliate promotions. There's a lot of value in promoting products that you know can convert not just month after month, but year after year. These have been promoted and tested by top affiliates for a long time. So what did you think? Was this helpful? If you want to see more like this, give some likes, drop some comments. We will be there engaging with the comments as always. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.